Good evening, my dear students. Keeping aside all the misfortunes we're facing currently, along with the problems of, COVID-19, let me present one more experiment to you tonight. We've already learned about the sine wave and triangular wave earlier. So today, let's learn about ramp waveform. So we have the program here, just like I told you earlier. The commands are all the same: clear all, close all, CLC. I've already taught you about all these things, and we'll be getting a graph of t versus y. From t, you're going from 0 to 10. This is a random value, and we can change it to any value from 0 to 10 with an increment of 1. We can change this letter, and this will be one of the axes. And let's see the graph. This will be your program for the ramp web. Ramp hadi mayam khangi ko akhoi na puthok kadui se kanoni ko ramp web. Ramp hadi akhoi na ga kay haitare adum mayam akhoi gi fashion show gi bu oiro Miss Universe oiro ramp walk ka adum haina bani ko ramp angamba haibani ko angamba sida angamba do hadi kamani puthok kadagi haibadu gi program ni ko se ramp ta samna haibada nupi sing na hills ka tung je ramp do adu flat surface o hena mo hills tung je ramp nupi sing na hills tung je ramp ta ka bai da muk gi maru na sem gi bane ba so that ngamma ga di mi je hadi to san be ai but mine hill tung ga di level ama da lak na bai da muk ta ne ba ko. So this will be the program. Aduga hujik akhoi run tor yeng ji ko Sigi program se si selai RAM smai angam basine from 0 to 10 selai re ko sine x axis ko aduga y yu sapmanare y equal to t hai je sapmanare my value sapmana halini ko aduga smai na RAM lak basine ba. Okay yani ko ma'am, thank you.